things are pieces of junk. These are the District 3 elevators here at the LINQ. That indicator is frozen. Beautiful. Innovation bar buttons. Oh shit.
That's hilarious, it actually works. I think I still have a chip from John. I have a couple. John would go cashing a bunch of chips and they'd give it to us and we'd all, go play with this or whatever. I'm like, whatever, I'll keep it forever.
Told some bizarre stories about. No.
15. Yeah, no, the wall. Look at the door.